Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepared one of the easiest and healthiest recipes, that is the overnight oats, in two different flavors. Firstly, 3 teaspoons of oats which are rich in fiber are added to a bowl, and then goes 1 teaspoon of chia seeds which are full of protein, and it is followed by half a cup of chilled milk, and everything is mixed well. Next, about 2 teaspoons of diced mango and apple slices and 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt which improves our gut health is added, followed by a dusting of cinnamon powder for flavor. For some crunchiness, some grated almonds are also added, and the jar is refrigerated overnight. In another jar, the same ingredients are added except for the fruits. Here I have added apples and plums. The two jars are refrigerated and taken for breakfast the next day. The two flavors of overnight oats turned out to be super tasty and also very refreshing for the stomach. It gives us a full feeling for a long time and also keeps us energetic throughout the day. Do try this recipe and let me know how you liked it. I'll meet you again in another video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.